Hi everyone, I'm from Saudi Arabia and try to talk in English so I can show you what I'm doing in my swimming pool. I have 5 lines in my swimming pool. This is the skimmer. Okay, you can see this is the skimmer. I have 2 lines, one this way and this way, the other one. And the cleaner, what do you call it? One here in the middle. And there is another one this way. And there is for draining the swimming pool. Also make 2, one here, it's going this way, and the other is going this way. I have the coming water to the, I don't know what the meaning of it in English. So this is for coming from the pump. It's 4, and also going this way, and the other one is going this way. So I make 2 lines, and this the fountain line here, and the other line is there. So I have 5 lines this way, going this way, so it will go to the pump and the filter room. And the other one, the spare, in case of this not working or closed, I make the other line and make it this way and keep it there and close it. So if I need it, it will be there. So this is my work. I hope you like it, and I'm very happy to share my experience. Yeah, I make it myself. I work there just for 2 days, planning and cutting and make the joint, and it's very easy. I hope you get something from my video. Thank you very much. Ahmed.